It's fall, pumpkin season, one of my favorite things, and I love a good whiskey cocktail, and especially an old-fashioned. So a pumpkin old-fashioned is perfect for me. You need Grand Marnier, maple syrup, pumpkin, and whiskey. And here we go. We're just going to put it all into a cocktail shaker filled with ice. It's going to be messy. It's the syrup. And the pumpkin, and a dash of bitters. And now you're just going to shake it. Sorry, going to be loud. Cold hands. And now we're going to use a really fine mesh strainer over an ice cube. This still has a strainer in it, but we don't want any of those bits of pumpkin to come through. So here we go. Garnish it with a piece of orange peel. And you've got a pumpkin double old-fashioned.